Here at the Congress, I'm joined by Ari Banerjee of Netcracker Technology. Ari, thanks for talking to us today. Tell us a bit about how you're working with your operator customers in what's now very much the digital economy.
Great question. As Netcracker being one of the key players in the BSS OSS space, we are providing a platform which is really the transformation platform for pretty much most of the global operators around the world. As they move into the cloud, as they're trying to adopt a more partner-centric business model, make money from their 5G investments, they're looking for future-proof transformation platforms. That's what we provide. And that's how we are helping them in order to create a consistent digital customer engagement, a monetization strategy that's much more innovative, on demand, and obviously an automation strategy to make sure that they can utilize the network resources efficiently with sufficient quality of experience to their end customers.
Yeah, what about partners? What about working with partners?
We are today in a platform-centric economy where innovation is not just from the operators themselves, but they have to harness innovation coming from the overall ecosystem, which means working with other industries, working with multi-vertical players in the space, and so on, which also means that the revenue management systems that the operators needs to be multifaceted. So it's not just about billing for end services, but it's about partner management, it's about contract management, it's about settlements, it's about a multi-party compensation model. And then obviously bundling those partner-centric services in a reseller model, in some sort of a pay-as-you trial model, all these different elements. So harnessing those partners, creating that ecosystem where you can onboard them quickly, charge for them, settle for the services they provide, all of that becomes very critical. So I think that's an enabler that we provide operators as they look into 5G, as they look into a much bigger partner-centric marketplace type of business model.
And what about the future? We've all lived through a pretty terrible last 18 months.
Yeah.
What plans do you have for 2022?
I think we are coming out of COVID, hopefully, and a lot of the transformation projects that we have signed was during the COVID period. Some of the biggest transformation projects that's happening across the globe signed in 2020, and a lot of the catalyst was their 5G investments. So I think looking forward, it's going to be a much more robust customer engagement model, a digital transformation model, and obviously us, working with our customers on joint development projects to make sure that they make money from the investments that they've done in 5G.
Well, that's a nice positive message to end with. Thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you very much. Thank you.